we've got Helen and James are travelling to Los Angeles, yeah, from London. And they've got the actual current day and time in London, and notice Los Angeles is behind us. Okay, so we're afternoon London, whereas morning in Los Angeles. Okay. The question says, give the time and day in Los Angeles when they land. Okay, so my focus would be on the London time to begin with, because that's where they start. Okay, so that's the current time, isn't it? 15:40 in London. And let's look at the events then. So the flight leaves in 2.5 hours time. So I need to add 2.5 hours onto this, right? So, you could do that straight away if you're confident, or just take your time on it. If I add 2 hours, that will take me to 17:40. And then half an hour then take me to 18:10. Okay, so that's 2.5 hours added on. Then it says the flight time between London and Los Angeles is 11 hours and 20 minutes. Well, I need to add on the 11 hours, perhaps to start with, okay? But you might feel confident to do 11 hours and 20. You know when you are 20, it's going to take you to 30, isn't it? Okay, there. If I add 11 hours onto 18, 11 onto 18 gives me 29, doesn't it? Okay, 29. You can't have 29 as a time because there's 24 hours in the day. If there's 24 hours in the day and I want it to be 29, that means there's an extra 5, isn't it? So it'll actually be 5 o'clock in the morning, 5. So it'll be 05, and of course the 20 minutes as well, 30. So it will land, okay, 05:30, okay, so it will land at 05:30, and of course it's gone into the next day, so that'll be on Wednesday. Now that's London time, don't forget, right? We want the time and day it is going to be in Los Angeles, so you've got to sort of be aware of that there, okay? It's going to be different, our final answer. You get marks so far, but we want to now focus on Los Angeles, okay? Yeah, so 5:30 on Wednesday morning. Now, how far behind is these times here? Well, 15 and 7, that means it's 8 hours behind, doesn't it? Okay, so we need to take 8 hours from it. We need to go back 8 hours. If you think about it, if I go back 5 hours to start with, okay, that will take me to midnight, won't it? Okay, or half past 12 rather, in the middle of the night, or late at night. If you go back 5 hours, okay, but I want to go back 8 hours, yeah, because that time difference is 8 hours. So I'm going to go back a further 3 hours. So I take away 3 hours from 24 effectively, yeah, it'll be 21:30. So we're going back 8 hours. We're actually then back on Tuesday, aren't we? It's still Tuesday in Los Angeles, so it'll be 21:30 on Tuesday. So it'll be Wednesday in London, but 8 hours before it'll be 21:30 Tuesday then in Los Angeles.